Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we're diving into the world of laser cutting and engraving with the xTool F1. This portable powerhouse promises to bring precision crafting to your fingertips. But does it deliver? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about portability. The xTool F1 is compact and lightweight, making it perfect for crafters on the go. Whether you're at a job site, a friend's house, or a craft fair, this machine is ready to roll. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. This bad boy comes equipped with not one, but two lasers. A 10-watt blue diode laser for cutting wood and acrylic, and a 2-watt infrared laser for engraving metal and plastic. Plus, with its built-in enclosure, the xTool F1 is safe to operate around customers, kids, and pets. But what really sets the xTool F1 apart is its user-friendly software. With xTool's creative space, you can easily design and preview your projects before you hit print. Plus, with its USB and wireless Bluetooth connectivity, you can control the F1 from your computer or smart device. Alright, let's talk performance. I put the xTool F1 through its paces, cutting and engraving everything from wood to metal to stone. And I gotta say, I was impressed. The precision and detail it offers are top-notch, and the ability to switch between lasers on the fly is a game-changer. Whether you're a crafter looking to add personalized touches to your creations or an entrepreneur wanting to offer custom engraving services, the xTool F1 has you covered. And with its fast operation and small footprint, it's perfect for anyone tight on space. So, what's the final verdict? Well, if you're in the market for a portable laser cutter and engraver that packs a punch, the xTool F1 is definitely worth considering. Its combination of power, precision, and portability make it a standout choice in its class. That's it for today's review, folks. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech gadgets. Until next time, happy crafting!